Instructional budgeting is highly dependent on school district organizational design, and there's really three different organizational designs that come into play when talking about budgeting. The first is the centralized structure. This is when a district is committed to line item or program budgeting. They make uniform allocations to all of their schools, and this is really characterized by degrees of delegated responsibility and strict central reporting and accountability. There are a couple benefits and then also negatives of this structure. The benefits are that the central office is ultimately responsible, and the top leaders are expected to have the expertise that they need in order to make these decisions. And this is also really efficient. There's no room for indecisiveness or disagreement when this is just done at the central office level. The downside, however, is that the decision making and ownership are held tightly, and subordinates must endorse the mission, goals, actions of the district without being involved in the budget. And they're just really not involved at any level in the budgeting process.